How to take off age restriction on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can take off age restriction on Twitter, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to take off age restriction on Twitter, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Twitter application here. Once you launch the Twitter app, you're going to see this type of interface where if you have age restriction, there are two things that you have to do. The first thing is to simply change the age or your date of birth. To do that, tap the profile icon from the top left and then just tap your profile name or your profile picture to come to your profile page. Then just tap the edit profile option. Under edit profile, you'll find a date of birth. Tap on it. Make sure to just edit your date of birth to something that would make you at least over 18 years of age. So just make sure to enter an age that will make you over 18 years of age and then save the changes. This should by default take off age restriction. But if this doesn't help, then you can just come back, tap the profile icon. This time you have to tap on settings and support and go to settings and privacy. Then go to privacy and safety, go to content you see, then just turn on this toggle that says display media that may contain sensitive content. By default, this could be turned off, so you want to make sure to simply turn this thing on. This way you can take off age restriction on Twitter. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.